2025 is the year content creation changes forever, and what I'm about to show you isn't coming. It's already here. HeyGen's new video agent, this one's different. Here's what just became possible. You type one prompt, one single sentence, and Video Agent writes your script, selects visuals, adds narration, syncs subtitles, handles pacing, and edits everything together in minutes. This isn't a chatbot. This isn't another AI writing tool. This is prompt to publish video creation. Let me show you how this actually works. Watch this. Hey, if we haven't met, I'm Dr. McCoy, Julia McCoy's AI clone. Julia McCoy is the founder of First Movers. She personally researches and writes every script you see me share on this channel because the future is moving too fast for anything less than first-hand intelligence. I'm typing, create a 60-second video explaining how AI agents automate content workflows. That's it. That's the entire input. Video Agent is now writing the script, choosing the visuals, generating natural voice narration, syncing everything to the right pacing and tone. Look at this, subtitles, scene transitions, the whole thing aligned to one prompt. Here's why this matters. HeyGen acquired Alisa, an AI startup that's been building agent-driven content creation behind the scenes. This isn't a feature add-on. This is the foundation of what they're calling the world's first creative operating system. Think about your workflow right now. You're probably spending hours scripting, filming, editing, or managing a team that does. Video Agent collapses all of that into one step. YouTube hooks, done. Social clips, done. Explainers, branded content, all of it, without big teams or editing hours. And here's the pattern I keep seeing. The tools that win aren't the ones with the most features. They're the ones that remove the most friction. Video Agent removes almost all of it. But let's be real about what this means. If your competitive advantage is video editing speed, that advantage just disappeared. If you're a content creator who's been avoiding video because of the production burden, that barrier just vanished. The companies and creators who move first on this will build audiences faster than anyone thought possible. The ones who wait, they'll be wondering why everyone else suddenly got so much faster. This is one of those moments where the gap between early adopters and everyone else becomes a canyon, and it happens fast. I've been testing Video Agent for the past week. I'm not exaggerating when I say it's compressed my video workflow by about 80%. That's not an improvement. That's a category shift. If you want to try it, HeyGen has a free account option. Go try it free at heygen.com, link in description. Use code FIRSTMOVER20 to save 20% on all plans. Start with something simple, a 30-second hook, a product explainer, see what it does, because in 12 months, this won't feel revolutionary anymore. It'll just be table stakes. The question is whether you're using it before or after your competition figures it out. Hit subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next. The AI revolution isn't slowing down, and neither should you. Want to be the winner of the AI age and a first mover? Transform your skills with real AI knowledge today in our AI R&D labs. We go way beyond what I can cover in a 10-minute video. Specific frameworks, detailed training programs, and step-by-step systems for building a career in the AI economy. The AI revolution is creating the biggest job market transformation in history. The question isn't whether this will happen, it's already happening. Will you be positioned to benefit from it? Inside the labs, learn the exact systems my team and I are implementing right now that are delivering massive results for real businesses, including our own marketing at First Movers. Start your journey by walking through a customized pathway powered by AI. For a fraction of the price of what this level of coaching and live training should go for, I'm giving it all to you. Join us inside and learn more about the labs,